Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change a username on Facebook. So to do that, first go to your browser and log into your Facebook account. So once you're in your Facebook account, on the right hand side you can see your profile picture. Click there and then click on settings and privacy. Again, go to settings, and over here you can see the name option and username option as well. So if you want to change, just click on edit, and here you can change your username to whatever you like. So I'm just going to enter a random username. Now all you have to do is save it. So that is how you can change your username on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.